He locks the door before leaving. He locks the door before leaving. They watch the sunset at the beach. They watch the sunset at the beach. We play chess after dinner. We play chess after dinner. I write in my journal every night. I write in my journal every night. She organizes the event for charity. She organizes the event for charity. He calls his parents every weekend. He calls his parents every weekend. They share stories around the campfire. They share stories around the campfire. We discuss books in our club. We discuss books in our club. I research for my history project. I research for my history project. She buys new clothes for the season. She buys new clothes for the season. He drinks coffee every morning. He drinks coffee every morning. They clap after the performance. They clap after the performance. We travel to different countries every year. We travel to different countries every year. I draw animals in my sketchbook. I draw animals in my sketchbook. She teaches yoga at the community center. She teaches yoga at the community center. He cleans his room every weekend. He cleans his room every weekend. They invite us to the party. They invite us to the party. We ask questions in class. We ask questions in class. I sleep early on weekdays. I sleep early on weekdays. She hugs her friends when she meets them. She hugs her friends when she meets them. He kisses his wife before leaving for work. He kisses his wife before leaving for work. They paint the walls in bright colors. They paint the walls in bright colors. We attend the wedding together. We attend the wedding together. I open the book to chapter 5. I open the book to chapter 5. She studies for her exams diligently. She studies for her exams diligently. He visits his grandparents often. He visits his grandparents often. They run in the park every morning. They run in the park every morning. We watch the news together. We watch the news together. I cook pasta for dinner tonight. I cook pasta for dinner tonight. She bakes cookies for her friends. She bakes cookies for her friends. He helps his neighbors with gardening. He helps his neighbors with gardening. They learn new languages in school. They learn new languages in school. We play cards on rainy days. We play cards on rainy days. I choose a new book to read. I choose a new book to read. She checks her email every day. She checks her email every day. He grows vegetables in his garden. He grows vegetables in his garden. They celebrate the festival with joy. They celebrate the festival with joy. We practice speaking English every day. We practice speaking English every day. I exercise regularly to stay fit. I exercise regularly to stay fit. She paints her nails every weekend. She paints her nails every weekend. He drinks tea in the evening. He drinks tea in the evening. They watch a movie after dinner. They watch a movie after dinner. We decorate the house for Christmas. We decorate the house for Christmas. I sing songs while driving. I sing songs while driving. She washes her car on Sundays. She washes her car on Sundays. He drives to the countryside. He drives to the countryside. They attend music concerts in summer. They attend music concerts in summer. We prepare dinner together. We prepare dinner together. I read novels during my free time. I read novels during my free time. She enjoys walking by the beach. She enjoys walking by the beach.